Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to test out the guns, and you're going to see my nephew.
No, you're not going to use my guns.
So we're not going to use my brother's. He said no because I don't know. So we're only going to test out ours. Here's our nephew.
No using my bullets.
I'm not. That looks fun. Here is my nephew. He's a little baby. It's him right there. So yeah, let's get started. So reloading my gun. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's right over there. Okay, let me just set the camera. So here's my gun, my full set of the gun. I showcased it, and didn't show this part and the ammo because I couldn't find them, but I found them, which is real good. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Let's put the camera right there. Oh, it's over here. Okay, let me sit down. Okay, it's going up there. Oh, that hit is hard. Okay, let's try another one. Yeah? Okay, let's try another one. Is it broken or something? No. Hey. Okay, let me take it somewhere else and turn the lights on. It's not on the ground, so yeah, I'm turning the lights on. We'll set it right here. Oh! You shielded the light. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Let's grab our gun. So yeah. Whoa, my camera. My camera fell. But it's good.